actually uses for okay, Tekla actually uses for the steel detailing purpose, rebar detailing, and concrete detailing, and it is globally accepted all across. Okay, so as of now, USA, Brazil, France, India, and n number of countries are using Tekla softwares for their steel detailing and the concrete and BIM structures. Okay, so we'll just go forward. So here you can see with the help of Tekla, we can create a like different type of project. You can see that bridges structures we can construct with the Tekla. Then structural elements are there. We can do the miscellaneous also with the help of Tekla. Miscellaneous, which includes all type of rebars, all type of stairs, rounded stair, and conveyors, everything. Okay. Also, we are with the help of Tekla, we can just do very simple project. Starts from simple warehouses or a single story building. From that to we can construct a huge projects like the stadium or some town hall, township, or some cement factories or anything. Okay. So with the help of Tekla, we in the India we have created one structure, that is Statue of Unity. The steel detailing and the rebar detailing done with the help of Tekla structures, and designing also Tekla has been used. So for and there is one very good thing about Tekla, that here in the Tekla, it is not only we are not only connecting rebars and steel, we are also good with the concrete and the timber also. We are having the different components in the Tekla where we can use connections for the concrete and the timber. We can place very easily and within the seconds we can say. So for that, Tekla is used globally. Okay. And now we can just focus on what is the output which comes from the Tekla. So for the civil engineering perspective, what we are going to need from any software, that is the bill of material, fabrication 2D drawings, erection drawings, or the automated CNC. There are a number of things. Okay. So with the so if we are using Tekla, we are getting all these things automated. We don't need to work that much on all of these things. We just need to modify the things as per our requirement, and we can just easily do that. Okay. So here in the image you can clearly see, this is the in the middle you can see the 3D structure of one project. And by using Tekla, we have just created the automated engineering drawing, that's the general arrangement drawing we can say. And it can be done like 60% work is done by Tekla only, and we are just need to modify the things as per our requirement or our client requirement. On right hand side, you can see the fabrication drawing. Fabrication drawing means that we need to give each and every drawing to the fabricator so that they can manufacture it individually. So that drawing is also come from Tekla, and it is almost done 80 to 90% work by Tekla himself, and we can just do the drafting work what we are needing. And on your left bottom side we can see that this is the bill of material that is used to order the bill actually, or the ABM takeout also, advanced bill material we can say that. It is used to order material for the any mill or any fabricator. It helps a lot for them. Okay. And on right side there is one digit number file, you can say it is actually the CNC file. It is used for cutting the steel members or any punching to the holes to the plate. So these things can be created with the help of Tekla very effectively and in the less number of time. So moving forward, you can see that this is just one sample project where you can see there is a warehouse structure with the 3D snap. You can see the inside of that warehouse and how we are providing the Tekla drawings. So this is just for an example, so that with you can see how clearly we are getting our output, and this will be very good for our fabricator and our clients also. And moving forward, so these are the list that we are usually providing to our clients. This is the material list, which is also called as ABM or material takeoff. And we are also creating bolt list, then also creating the factoral reports and everything which is necessary for the project requirement, which is necessary for the clients to procure the all the processes, and that can be done by Tekla. And those are things are available in Tekla in the default version also. So we don't need to put much efforts for these things. So that's why Tekla is globally accepted all across the world. Okay, so this is the CNC production and CNC type. CNC means what? This is the machine which you use for the cutting the members, steel members, or hole punching. For that, we are providing CNC files. We don't need to edit anything into the CNC file. We just need to export CNC file into the one for .cnc format, and we can just give that to the client so that they can cut the material how they want, and they can punch the holes as per their requirements. So this is not the manual task, this is an automated task. Okay, so how project flows into the Tekla? We can say that it is a we just need to do the 3D modeling, 3D modeling with the help of Tekla, and after that we can just need to take off the material from the Tekla. Then we need to provide the GA drawings and the fabrication drawings. And if we are doing the rebars also, we just need to do same process for rebars also, that creating 3D model and then creating GA drawings, fabrication drawings, and all other things like reports and CNC file, they are automatically generated from the Tekla. Okay, so this is how project flows with in the Tekla. So, and the Tekla structure is openly accepted by all across the globe. There are n number of clients which are using Tekla as of now, and because it is very user friendly, it is providing a lot of reports what they are going to need for their designing and detailing purpose. That's why the companies like Bentley, Primavera, they are using Tekla for their steel detailing or designing purposes. Okay, so it is not only the that we are doing steel detailing into the Tekla. It's the Tekla is pretty much good for design model and the BIM construction model also. Design model, as in if we are planning to design some load calculation, or where we want to do some check some erection feasibility or clash check into the Tekla, so we can just have all our models together in the into the single model, like rebar model, concrete model, and the steel model into the same. So with the help of that, we can just clearly find the clashes, or clearly find some discrepancy, or clearly find some erection feasibility problem. So that this is where that this is the one platform that providing all the solutions for our construction feasibility and the erection feasibility. So that's why Tekla is using a lot of nowadays. Before that, we are using CAD, but CAD and in the CAD we are having some limitation as compared with Tekla. That's why this is the advanced version, we can say. So as if you are thinking about today's education, so a lot of institutes all across the globes are implementing the Tekla program into their syllabus. They are taking the initiatives to teach students so that they can explore they can explore their career into the steel detailing and designing. In India, if you can say, there is like IIT Madras has recently started implementing the Tekla into the like advanced course of Tekla into their syllabus, or their it is just optional thing for them. And the Chennai Institute of Technology also doing that, and all across the globe you can see in America, in China, lot of universities are already started implementing Tekla software into their courses. And it is good for civil engineering as well as mechanical engineering. Both can use the Tekla if they want. Okay, if you can consider our Indian industries, so there are a lot of companies as of now having the Tekla structures opening, and they are using the Tekla software for doing all these things. One of the well-known companies are, you can see over here, Reliance, Tata Steel, JSW Steel. And if you can talking about other part, that is design, so Thyssen, Thermax, these companies are also doing good with that. And Praj is the leading, one of the leading company into that for the prefabricated buildings, that is PEB. So there are so much scope for Tekla. If you can go Google it, you can just find it out that there are a lot of openings for as of now for the steel designers, the steel modelers, checkers, detailers. If you can explore these things and you can explore your career in this, you can see yourself at very good stage in upcoming 5 or 10 years. If we are talking about some users in India, this is not the whole users. They are just some of them. We are just trying to summarize the things for you. So if you go into the power and processed sector, so Reliance, L&T, Bhel, Trichy, there are n number of companies which includes in this list. Same goes with the oil and gas. We are having Toyo, EIL, Petrofac, these companies, well-known companies, and industrial engineers. There comes with the Stubb, G India, Chorus Engineering, Thornton, and many more. So this is what we are having so much scope into the steel detailing and designing field, and we can also do the rebar and concrete, so that if we someone is from interested more in concrete, so they can opt for the concrete detailing or concrete designing. If some the guys are interested in the steel, so they can opt for the steel detailing and designing. But initial level we are just providing the steel detailing, so that because that is the base of our civil or mechanical. Okay, so I will just shortly explain the what is the syllabus of our institute for this. Okay, so we are having two courses. One is basic course and one is advanced course. In basic course, what we are teaching everything from the scratch, like just simply introducing Tekla structure briefly. Then we are just showing how we can do the 3D modeling, then how we can prepare the drawings from it, how we can prepare the general arrangement drawing, that is GA drawings, erection drawings, or the shop drawings for the individual parts, single part drawings. Also, we are teaching how we can add the stairs and handles into the Tekla with the use of 3D modeling. And this conclude our basic course. This is also good for initial purpose, but we'll recommend to go for the combination of basic and advanced, because that is good for your long term career goals. Because in advanced course, we are usually teaching how we can create the custom components or the automatic connection for whole model with the with just simply 3 4 clicks, or how we can do it with some programming. Okay, and we are also having, if suppose we are not having some profiles in our catalog, we are also teaching them how we can sketch it. And we just teaching them the template setting and layout setting and numbering techniques for their like professional growth. So I'll recommend to go with the basic and advanced combination. I'll just quickly show you one 3D model so that you will get an idea how Tekla user interface look like. Okay, so this is the 3D model of one just sample project, one engineering our previous engineering project. Okay, so here you can see how we can do that. This is a 3D model. Okay, and you can see over here these are the column. We are having these components already in the Tekla. Okay, so with this these components are right, by just having a one look, it is like looking like so complicated. But if we are having the good guidance and with uh, good understanding of all the macros which we are going to teach you in our syllabus, then it will be very easy for you, just like a piece of cake or something. And now here, if we are looking into the stairs and handrail, these are the components where we can just easily create all this structure. Okay, the grating is also placed into the model with this structure, so that the client no need to work on the AutoCAD for the grating now. So they can just have their drawings from Tekla itself. So this is the one-stop solution for clients. That's why it is preferable across the globe, and we will teach you everything which is going to need for your career growth. And we are also providing a good placement also for from we'll try to place you in one of the reputed companies in India only initial stage. So hopefully you guys can join our course, and it will be glad if we can you can learn over here. Thank you so much.